How to fix site can't be reached problem on Google Chrome. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can fix site can't be reached problem on your Google Chrome on laptop. So let's just jump right in. So here, if you just search for anything on your laptop and it says the site can't be reached, then it might have to do something with your internet settings. So let's see how you can fix it. Go over to the search bar and then simply search for control panel. Once you open up your control panel, make sure the view by is selected as large or small icons and not category. Then you need to find something called Internet Options over here. Tap on it, and then once you get to Internet Option, go over to the Connection tab up top. From here, click on LAN Settings. From this option, make sure the automatic detect settings is turned on and not the automatic configuration script. And make sure that this proxy server for LAN is turned off. Once that is done, you can just tap on OK. And then from here, you need to just go ahead and tap on Apply and then OK as well. Then you need to go over to Advanced on the right side. And then go ahead and click on Restore Advanced Settings. And it will automatically restore all of your advanced settings for your internet properties. Once that is done, you can find other settings here as well, like your temporary browsing history. So go ahead and click on Delete, and it will delete your temporary browsing history. Just click on Delete from here. Once all of that is done, you need to go ahead and open up Google Chrome. Then tap on the three dots at the top right, and then scroll down and go to Settings. Once you open up your settings, you need to go to Privacy and Security on the left side and scroll all the way again here. Then from here, you need to go ahead and click on Security. Scroll down and find the Security in this option. Make sure this one is toggled on. And if it's selected on default, make sure you select either Google's public DNS or Cloudflare's DNS. Once you have done that, close Chrome and then open it back again. Now your problem should be fixed. That's basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.